Hey everyone! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you avoid buyer's remorse like it's the plague. Today, we're diving headfirst into the steamy world of cleaning with two contenders that promise to wipe away your dirt and worries. On my left, we have the Bissell Steam Mop, your trusty sidekick in the battle against grime. And on my right, the Gorfinti Steam Mop, 10-in-1 multi-purpose wonder. It's like the Swiss Army knife of steam cleaning, but with way less risk of stabbing yourself. Let's see which one comes out on top. Let's kick things off with the price. The Bissell comes in at a wallet-friendly $92, which reviewers say is a great value for its performance. Meanwhile, the Gorfinti is priced at $139. Reviewers appreciate its versatility and multiple features, but it's definitely a more significant investment. If you're on a budget, Bissell is the way to go. But if you want to impress your friends with a multifunctional tool, Gorfinti might be your pick. Next up, we're talking about cleaning power. The Bissell claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria and has received rave reviews from users who found it effective even on tough, long-standing stains. It features a built-in easy scrubber for stubborn spots. On the other hand, the Gorfinti also boasts a 99.9% effectiveness rate, but it's the 10 accessories that really shine, allowing you to clean various surfaces throughout your home. Reviewers highlight its versatility, making it a fantastic all-in-one solution. Now, let's talk about heat-up time. Bissell takes about 30 seconds to generate steam, which some users found reasonable, especially given its cleaning capabilities. In contrast, Gorfinti heats up in just 20 seconds, making it quicker for those who can't wait to start cleaning. Reviewers have noted this quick heat-up time as a significant advantage, especially for those in a hurry. Let's discuss ease of use. Bissell has a digital variable steam control, allowing for customized cleaning, which many users appreciate. However, Gorfinti's lightweight and flexible design, combined with its 120-degree rotation, makes it the more user-friendly option, especially for reaching tricky spots. Reviewers have praised Gorfinti for its ergonomic design and ease of maneuverability, making it a top choice for those who want a hassle-free cleaning experience. Overall, both steam mops have received positive reviews, but they cater to different needs. Bissell is praised for its cleaning efficiency and affordability, while Gorfinti is celebrated for its versatility and speed. Users have found both products to be reliable, but their specific features appeal to different types of cleaning enthusiasts. So after all that steaming and cleaning, who's the winner? If you're looking for an affordable, no-frills mop that gets the job done, Bissell is your best bet. But if you want versatility, speed, and a tool that can do it all, Gorfinti is the way to go. Whichever you choose, remember to buy smart. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.